Most digital nomads are one medical emergency away from losing everything they've built. And that's not a scare tactic. A 2024 industry report found that the global digital nomad health insurance market is now worth nearly $4 billion because hundreds of thousands of nomads learned the hard way that their coverage had massive gaps exactly when they needed it most. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to choose the right health insurance as a digital nomad in 2026, including the difference between travel insurance and real international health coverage, how to avoid the 3 most expensive mistakes nomads make when picking a plan, and the medical evacuation detail that 99% of people completely overlook until it's too late. This video is for you if you're working remotely from multiple countries, planning to leave your home country for more than a few weeks, or you're already living the nomad life, and you're not 100% sure your current coverage actually protects you. I've spent months going through the data, talking to nomads who have had real medical emergencies abroad, and breaking down exactly what the insurance market looks like in 2026. Stay until the end, because the last point is the one that could save you thousands of dollars in a single moment. Let's start with the biggest mistake I see nomads make, and it happens before they even leave home. They buy travel insurance and call it health insurance. These are not the same thing, not even close. Travel insurance is designed for short trips. We're talking trip cancellation, lost luggage, maybe a few $100s toward a doctor visit if you sprain your ankle. It is not built to cover a serious illness, a hospital stay, or a surgery abroad. If you get seriously sick in Southeast Asia or Eastern Europe with only travel insurance, you could be looking at a 5-figure bill with almost nothing covered. Real international health insurance, sometimes called Expat health insurance or IPMI, is a completely different product. It covers ongoing medical care, specialist visits, hospitalization, prescriptions, and in many cases mental health. Think of travel insurance like a raincoat. It handles the light stuff. International health insurance is the full waterproof shelter you actually need when things go seriously wrong. The action step here is simple. Pull out whatever policy you currently have and look for 2 things: the maximum single incident coverage limit and whether it covers hospitalization for non-emergency conditions. If your limit is under $100,000 or if hospitalization requires it to be an emergency, you do not have real health coverage. You have a Band-Aid. But here's what most people don't realize about the cost of real international coverage. It might actually be cheaper than you think. A lot of nomads assume international health insurance is going to be expensive. And if you're comparing it to nothing, sure, any cost feels like a lot.